When using this forklift, first things first, open the gas by turning the valve. Like this. Then hop on. Simply turn it on like this. Then once you get started, that's the handbrake there. So pull this button here, handbrake will drop down. This pedal here, this is the clutch brake. So when you're holding that, you can press forwards or reverse, like so. So I press forwards, I let go of the brake. You can see it kicks into forwards, press backwards, kicks into backwards, like that. Then for the controls of the mast, similar to the other forklift, you pull this handle towards you and it goes up. Push it forwards, it goes down. That's for leaning back. And this is for side to side. Turn the gas off when you're done with it so it doesn't leak.